building is the most important cause of pollution, of carbon emission, of waste. So it's the reason why we have to change our practice. I am Frédéric Denise. I am an activist before to be an architect. So I use my job to change the world by campaigning to transform the building industry.
Frédéric's project, the Maison de la Réserve Ecologique, was built in the center of an inner-city nature reserve in Paris.
La Maison de la Réserve is unique because it's a gateway of an extraordinary place. La Réserve Ecologique is a place where humans don't intervene, don't plant, don't prune, just listen, just step back and observe, learn from nature. And it's also for animals a place, a living place, for insects, for birds, for hedgehogs, for lizards. There is place for everybody.
Reconnecting people and nature was one of the key objectives of this project, and so it was important that the building focused on education.
Educating people about sustainable construction is really important. The connection between the Maison de la Réserve Ecologique and the park make people realize the connection between living trees, between natural resources, and their use into materials for construction.
From the outset, the brief was to design a building in harmony with nature.
The demand was a very low-impact building, no impact on the reserve, and to use natural materials. 75% of the building is natural or reused material. It's only local materials. Wood is French wood from Jura forests. So it's about 400 kilometers from Paris. All the building is clad with chestnut shingles, which come from south of France.
The project was even built without concrete foundations to minimize ground disturbance.
The building has been raised above the ground thanks to 109 screw piles that help animals to pass under. And it was also really important not to harm the soil, because the soil is alive and we need that soil to store carbon, to grow crops, to make a better ecosystem.
As well as using all natural materials and wood from sustainably managed forests, the Maison de la Réserve utilized reused materials wherever possible.
Reused material come from Paris region. You know, the wooden windows come from Dior headquarters in Paris. You know, it's a reason why we say it's a low-tech building, but he also wear haute couture from Dior.
By designing in this way, Frédéric and his team ensured that the Maison de la Réserve stored more carbon than it emitted during its construction, providing a vital example to show others what's possible.
This building is, above all, a testimony to show how to construct with an optimistic way to build with nature and for nature.